Good day, everybody. Today I want to deliver entitled Use Traditional Wheats, Vegetables, Fruits, and Spices as Traditional Biomedicine, Preventing Egg Disease, focusing the global perspectives on diversity, sustainability, and accessibility. And the statement of the problem in the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, the PM portion in India, midday meal in school is badly affected by lockdown, hampering human civilization, global education and research, health, economics, well-being, biodiversity conservation, ecological balance, food producing system, climate regulation, and class enrollment, classroom hunger, malnutrition. There are so many problems in education system, especially school education, in other challenges for vaccination, transport, storage, other challenges for H5N1 virus. And so scientists are searching and puzzling and searching for the effective way to prepare vaccine or to vaccinate for the AIDS disease. The rapidly changing world threatens essential service due to catastrophic alteration of natural ecosystem, biodiversity, and climate changes. Focusing on the theme global perspectives on traditional medicine, diversity, and sustainability. To solve the problem, we apply the traditional knowledge resources, different talented idea. Pharmaceutical companies make responsibility for preparing vaccine as quickly as possible, and different common traditional products are used as traditional medicine. And Indian perspectives, we have already used Ogra as the natural gift. And in the other hand, monkeypox, Ebola virus, present recently COVID is mutating the coronavirus in different forms, subunits. And recently, vaccine have huge production cost, complication, purification, etc., biosafety, and time consuming, and also the availability of the vaccine to prevent pathogens causing disease. And in the world scenario, in COVID-19 recently, the more than 80 plus age is high risk in all countries. And these are the universal comorbid patients affected with other diseases. They are very much effective to attack or by the recent X disease. You know, these are the different form of coronavirus, and this is the biodiversity in case of COVID period, and this is the ginger medicinal product. Now we accepted solution to solve the problems. Scientists are trying to apply their knowledge, resources, proficiency to the idea, e-technology, and saving mother plants. Pharmaceutical companies take responsibilities and the different use of common biomedicine. And some publication is here recently used by the biomedicine as a midday meal. And cowpea is the biomedicine. Weeds, vegetables, fruits act as a potential biomedicine. High diluted, some biomedicine is used also. Spice, tropical biomedicine recently used. And in case of ginger, high diluted biomedicine is used. And in school, by using these kinds of common ginger biomedicine, we may sustainable reopen of the school, which is already proved. And you know, the weeds, amaranth, okra, amaranth, fruits, cowpea, cucumber, apples, orange, ginger, and spices, turmeric, garlic have active bioactive compounds, different compounds which increases our immunity. These are already proved from different publications and show the aims and objectives of the current today's uh, is the common use of traditional biomedicines, vegetables, fruits, sweets, spices as a traditional biomedicine, which is much available, and therapeutic measures among school children for the traditional biomedicine, nationalism, vaccine nationalism, not biomedicine nationalism, passport equity, focusing eco-health. So it is an urgent need to develop mainly the potential, cost-effective, eco-friendly, epidemiological, biomedical vaccine for all. And for selection of these biomedicine, in case of vegetables, okra, cowpea, cucumber, fruits, apple and orange, wheat, amaranth, and spices, in case of ginger, turmeric, and garlic. These are the pictures, and these are the fruits. And in case these biomedicine vegetables, which fruit is used in the midday meal, which is shown in this picture. This is the symbol of Indian PM portion, and they enjoying the meal. And the mixing ratio of this kind of internal biomedicine in PM portion or midday meal, day 1 to day 6, in case of class 5 student, aged 10 to 11, only 48 grams, or in case of 6 to 8 standard, we use 73 in all the cases. And these are the ratio with samaranth plus 2 grams spices, 1 gram ginger, within 2 gram, 1 gram ginger, 0.5 gram turmeric, and 0.5 gram garlic. That is total 50 gram in case of 5, total 6 to 8, that means 11 to 14 years, total use 75 gram. And these are the fixture are only 2 days, apple and orange is used, and chicken and eggs also 1 day in a week. And you have seen they enjoyed the PM portion midday meal, and they enjoy also a single apple and orange also. And these are the treatment, that means consume result with internal biomedicine. These are the 4 groups. This is the age group 10 to 11. In case of 6, age group 11 to 12. In case of age group 12 to 13, class 7, and class 8, 13 to 14. And this is the student sample. That means who takes biomedicine, midday meal or not. And the average number of students take midday meal that is treated or consumed, and who avoid to take midday meal, this is control, or avoid to take midday meal. And we have seen from day 0, this is the average consumption of midday meal, the number of consumption of midday meal sample. This is the day 21, that means 3rd week, day 42, that is 4 weeks. And in all the cases, the consumption, number of consumption of midday meal is increased in all the cases. And this is the average height of the student. The average height of the student is also increased from day 0 to day 14 in all the cases. and which is significantly different by proof from the ANOVA analysis. And average weight also increases in all the cases from day 0 to day 42. And it is very interesting. The obesity of the student who takes regularly midday meal, their weight is standard maintained of the chart. And this is the this is the obesity result. This is a malnutrition result, and this is the cold and flu result. And in case of eyes disease, we have seen that the less affected who regularly consume midday meal in the last column, which is covered by ourselves. And next one, the biodiversity due to midday meal. Street dog entered the school campus for wet, the wastage food materials, cats, wild cats, monkeys due to different plants in our school campus, mongoose, rats and mice in the midday meal for moles, bats, squirrel, owls, pigeon, reptiles, even snake, lizard, toad, insect, and other animals like toad here. And we have seen due to midday meal from day 0 to day 42, which is calculated after reopening of the school after taking long month or COVID lockdown, and we have seen the number of the different animals is increasing in all the cases in the day 42. And it is also interesting, the owl or barn owl, different kinds of owl is there, artificial nest hang in our building, as well as trees, and owl maintain the topmost ecological position to their ecology of the biodiversity. And the owl from the pellets, we have seen in the pellets, the mongoose also increases from day 0 to day 42. Rats and mice also increases, moles also increases, in all the cases, squirrel also increases, and small birds also increases in all respect. And total animals depends on plates as well as physical animals. We have seen that the number of animals increases in the school campus or beside the school campus, and the biodiversity also increases in due to biomedicine midday meal engagement or treatment. And we have surveyed the ecozone, and we have seen the different kinds of ecozones for midday meal, kitchen gardens, trees, artificial nests, wildlife, biofloxing fish, farming, and organic manures. These are enriched the ecozone due to PM portion or biomedicine midday meal. And the findings, the positive impact on the growth, obesity, malnutrition, cold and flu, eyes disease, and coronavirus 2 or 3 or mutated X disease. Different disease, sedentary lifestyle, food habit, health hazards, and internal biomedicine and biomedical research also improve in that cases. Enjoyed biodiversity conservation with joyful school environment. And in conclusion, the present traditional biomedicine are potential to prevent different diseases by increasing immunity. And these kinds of biomedicine have no toxic effect So we easily tell use traditional weeds, vegetables, fruits, and spices as a traditional biomedicine, preventing AIDS disease, focusing the global perspectives, diversity, sustainability, and accessibility, and making research priorities and policy issues as the key matter, like focusing our security of the environment, climate change, sustainable agriculture, health, biodiversity, and conservation, etc. And recent this eighth edition of International Conference on Traditional Biomedicine, Ethnomedicine, and Natural Therapies fulfills the Traditional Biomedicine 2025 needs through its various activities, awareness, and publication that the traditional biomedicine or phytomedicine or herbal medicine or alternative medicine for the holistic treatment of egg disease, focusing the global perspectives and diversity, sensitivity, and accessibility. The act as a natural future internal vaccine. This biomedicine against any future uh, pandemic, improve enrollment, classroom hunger, malnutrition, health, as well as joyful learning ecology. An impact on the biodiversity on wildlife, especially owl, wildcats, mongoose, and bats conservation, and bringing together the crew of experts in infectious disease and diagnosis and internal biomedicine. This kind of traditional biomedicine improves ecology, eco health, eco nutrition, eco school health, eco foods, and science, technology, and well-being. And advantage of this biomedicine is there is no toxic effect. It is very cost effective, easily preparable, easily available, and locally available. These are the advantage. And in future prospect, it may be used in all countries to increase immunity, resisting these types of eggs, any eggs. In future, we may use as a high diluted form as in homeopathy, either 1, 2, 3, and with different compounds. There are so many ideas may be given. And these are the some homeopathic dose in case of biomedicine, which improves the health as well as environment. And I want to acknowledge or thanks to all the attendants of the 8th edition of International Conference on Traditional Medicine, Ethnomedicine, Natural Therapies 2025. I am thankful to Honorable Dr. Elena Claria, Conference Manager, Traditional Biomedicine 2025, and all the members of the organizing committee. The eminent educationals and social workers, my wife, especially Rupa Datto, my son, Bodhisattva Datto, who inspired me and to present my presentation also. And last but not the least, I am thankful to the eminent senior consultants and physicians and doctors also. And lastly, I told everyone, take traditional biomedicine, prevent AIDS disease, save the life, and protect the environment. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.